Ever wondered how machines can learn and make decisions like a human brain? Deep learning neural networks are the answer, a concept that has revolutionized the technology landscape. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, deep learning has become the backbone of artificial intelligence. Imagine a neural network as a giant web of interconnected nodes, much like the neurons in our brain. This web is organized into layers: an input layer, multiple hidden layers, and an output layer. Each layer is made up of a number of nodes or neurons, and each node holds a value. The magic begins when data enters the network. Information is fed into the input layer. This data then travels through the hidden layers, getting modified at each node. The modifications are directed by the weights and biases, parameters that decide the importance of each input. These weights and biases are initially set randomly, but are fine-tuned as the network learns. The data travels from node to node, layer to layer, getting transformed along the way. This journey ends at the output layer, where the network provides its prediction or decision. But how does the network learn to make accurate predictions? The secret lies in a process called backpropagation. After the network makes a prediction, it measures how far off it was from the correct answer. It then travels backward through the layers, adjusting the weights and biases to reduce the error. This process is repeated for many rounds, and with each round, the network gets better at making accurate predictions. This is where PyTorch comes into play. PyTorch is a popular framework for building and training neural networks. One of its features, NN-linear, is used to implement linear transformations, which are the modifications done at each node in the hidden layers. It takes in two parameters: the number of inputs, input features, and the number of outputs, output features. It initializes the weights and biases randomly, which are then optimized during the training process. To sum up, deep learning neural networks are a fascinating technology that mimics the human brain, allowing machines to learn and make decisions. They consist of interconnected layers of nodes, with data traversing from the input layer to the output layer, getting modified at each node. The network learns by adjusting the weights and biases through a process called backpropagation. And tools like PyTorch's N&N linear function help implement these transformations, making the building and training of these networks more efficient. So next time you see a self-driving car or interact with a virtual assistant, remember, it's all thanks to the remarkable technology of deep learning neural networks.